See if you can hear me. Or I can.
Do you hear me, Yvonne?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
I can hear. Not that it matters. I won't talk, but I can hear you. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
I'm going to mute myself now. Thanks.
Okay, well, I already got this question.
Yep. See, is he in?
His audio connecting.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Rodriguez? Can you unmute? There you go.
Mr. Rodriguez, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, this is me.
Mr. Rodriguez, my name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records indicate that you were given 3 citations, failure to display your driver's license, no insurance, and speeding. Is that you?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so you are the person that received those 3 citations. Do you have a Texas driver's license?
Right now, yes, I do.
Did you have it back then?
At the moment, no, sir.
Okay.
May
How
I?
about, go
Sorry.
ahead.
May I explain the reason why, or it doesn't matter?
Sure. Well, it
Uh,
matters.
yeah, me and my wife, my family, we just moved into Texas about a year ago, and I didn't know about the rule. I know it's not an excuse, but the officer told me that within the 2 months of being in the state of Texas, I was supposed to get the license and Texas license. So, but at that time, I didn't. I had my insurance, my license of California, and I had lost my wallet, but I gave him all my information. That's how he got my information because I know it by memory. I don't know if that count as not no license of display or not.
Well, you're supposed to have changed your address and gotten a Texas driver's license a long time ago. Okay.
Mhm.
And that's just, you just should have known that. And I'm sure that California has the same rules that we do. So, okay, but were you insured when you got the ticket?
I I I was, but I have the paperwork here. I wasn't sure, but at the same time, like I said, I lost my wallet and I had to cancel everything. So my policy didn't they canceled my policy
All right.
because the payment didn't went through.
Okay. So the answer is no, you did not have
No, I
insurance.
didn't. I didn't have when they stopped me.
All right. Then you had the speeding. What are you doing for, how do you make ends meet? I mean, how do you pay your bills? Do you work full time? I mean, what, are you a student?
Yeah,
What's going on?
no, I work full time at the moment.
Okay. Well, I mean, you're going to have to change your California driver's license to a Texas driver's license. Should have done that quite a while back. Okay.
Oh no, I already
Otherwise-
got that, sir.
You already got it. All right.
Yeah, I
Good.
already got it.
Okay. What I can do is I can try and help you keep these from being reported on your driving record. Okay. Um, the only way I can do that is if I place you on deferred disposition probation for that. Are you familiar with how that works?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay. What I'm going to do is this. I would put the failed to display driver's license on demand on hold. In other words, the prosecutor will consider it, and if you comply with the other 2, he'll submit a motion to dismiss
Okay.
the failed to display driver's license. The other 2, I'm going to put you on probation, and I can give you time to pay. If you pay your money, you don't commit any new traffic violations here in the city, and if you get insurance, which I'm sure you have insurance, or you wouldn't have been able to get your Texas driver's license,
Correct.
then the citations will be dismissed, and I can give you time to pay. For example, your no insurance would be $279, and I can give you either 90 or 120 days to pay. Your speeding would be $187, and I can give you the same amount of time to pay that. And while you're on probation, as I said, you can't get any new tickets. Got to make your payments. And you got to keep your insurance. If you
Okay.
do all that, it gets dismissed. Is that something that you're interested in?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that will help a lot, sir.
All right. Then you have to enter a plea of no contest with no insurance and no contest to speeding. I accept your plea, but I don't find you guilty. Instead, I put you on probation. How long do you need to pay that fee? Because it's going to be, what did I say? 187 on the,
187.
okay. So you're going to be, somewhere on the $400 range.
Uh-huh.
One what?
460.
466 is what I'm told. So how much time do you need? 90 or 120 days to pay that?
If 120 days will be perfect for me, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'll put you on deferred disposition probation for 120 days. I'll give you the full term of 120 days to pay it. You are to keep insured during that 120-day period. You're not to get any more tickets here in the city of Balcones Heights during that 120-day period. and you got to pay your money, and it'll all be dismissed. As far as more details as to how to go about making payments, I can transfer you over to the clerk of the court, and she can give you that information. All right?
Okay, that sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, take care.
All right, take care. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez.
Hi.
Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and send you to Ms. Bias. She's gonna go ahead and explain to you what paperwork we need you to sign and how we're gonna be sending it to you, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
No problem. Everything good? Let me go ahead and get her.
Hey, 1 second, Mika. We're trying to get the encode working.
I'm gonna get somebody for the judge. It's a Spanish speaker, so you're okay.
Okay.
Ms. Paloma?
Hello,
Hello. ¿Sí nos oyen?
sí,
Okay.
All righty. Ms. Polanco?
yes, I talk a little bit of English, but not that much. I understand it, sir.
Okay, so you do understand English, or do you want to speak in Spanish?
I understand.
All right. Well, Ms. Polanco, how old are you, ma'am?
I'm 32, sir.
Okay. And you have 2 citations or 2 tickets, no driver's license and speeding. Do you have a driver's license?
I'm trying to, no, sir, when I got my, it's too hard for me to get my things, in order because when they already pay 1 ticket, when I got the first ticket in Balcones, I was barely getting a job. Right now, I lost my job again because of the about the COVID-19, right? So I was trying to get that day and my things in order, but I couldn't because they stopped me and that was my first job. and I can't get my things ready because I need a lot of papers that I don't have right now.
Okay. All right. Tell me about the speeding. Do you feel that, I mean, you're charged with speeding. If you plead not guilty, in other words, you say that you didn't do it, which you have an absolute right to do. And I'll send you over to the prosecutor and you can talk to him and review whatever information they have on that. I mean, they might have a dash cam or video or body cam video or maybe a police report or something. So if
Uh-huh.
you think you weren't speeding, let me know. Plead not guilty and I'll send you to the prosecutor on that one. And if you feel you're guilty and you just want me to lower your fines and give you a payment plan, I can do that without having to send you to the prosecutor.
No,
What
I
do
just
you think you'd like to do?
I would like to pay my ticket.
All right. Would you like to? But you see, I can give you monthly payments of $50,
Yes, sir.
and I'll lower your fines. And you pick a date in October or November when you want to start making payments. And look at your calendar. Tell me what day you want to start, and that's when you'll pay your first $50.
Okay, sir. So we're on September, October.
Do you have a
No, I mean, I want to pay the ticket. Can I pay it tomorrow? But I don't know how.
Okay, well, I'll tell you. First of all, is I'm going to lower your no driver's license ticket from 206 down to 156, and your speeding from 227 down to 187. Okay, since you're having
So what's the
financial
total?
difficulties, and that's going to be a total of about $320 more or less.
Oh, $320. Okay, no, I need to do a payment then.
Okay, so when do you want to start? You can start anytime in October or the first or November.
I could start in November.
Okay, pick a day.
The 2nd.
Okay, I don't have a calendar, so I don't know what day is that.
Préstame tu
That's
calendario.
let's see, November the 2nd would be a Monday, I believe. Yeah, that's a good day.
Yes, sir.
All
So
right, well, what I'll do,
okay.
okay, do you have any other questions?
Yes, sir. Every Monday, I'm gonna pay 50 until I finish paying my ticket, right, sir?
No, not every Monday, every second of the month. So it's
Yes, sir. Every second of the
$50 on
month.
the 2nd of November and $50 on the 2nd of December and so on.
Okay, sir. What address I could pay it?
Okay, I'm gonna transfer you over to the clerk of the court because she's gonna give you all that information, okay?
Okay.
All right, so then I accept your plea of no contest to the offense and I find you guilty, but I give you a time payment plan of $50 a month and I also reduced your fines, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
God bless you. Thank you.
You too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Ms. Ramos?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez, and she's gonna explain to you where you can come and give your payments, what payment paperwork we need for you to sign, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Just give me one moment.
Excuse me, ma'am. I was gonna
Mándele.
ask you.
Ujú.
Yo ya pagué un tiquete. Sí sale que yo ya pagué un tiquete, ¿verdad?
Aquí con nosotros, ¿no, madre?
Es que me cayeron 2 tiquetes. Me cayó uno y lo acabo de pagar me hicieron el favor de pagarlo por crédito y dice Balcones.
No era por la luz roja, ¿verdad? O...
Ay, no sé. Bueno, pues ahí debe de, entonces nomás sale que debo el tiquete de ustedes, ¿verdad?
Sí, señor. Ujú.
Ok. Oh, no, está bien.
Déjeme, permíteme un momentito, ¿ok?
Bendiciones, gracias.
Gracias, igualmente.
$320. Dios mío, ¿qué hice? Debemos de manejar despacito. Noviembre, diciembre. Noviembre, diciembre. Dijo 350.
You-
Hello, Mr. Rivera.
Hello? Yes?
Hi. So let me just verify. Is it Jose Antonio Rivera the third?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, honey. So for this type of case, we are going to be sending you to speak to the prosecutor, okay?
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me just go ahead and put you down in his queue. Okay, sir. So I'm going to go ahead and send you to his room. So just go ahead and accept, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Ms. Prescott. Oh. Unmute. There you go. Give me 1 second. There you go, Judge.
Hi, Ms. Prescott. My name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. Are you the same Sabrina Prescott that was issued 2 citations back on the 25th of February?
Yes.
Okay, good. I wanted to make sure we had the right person. The first one is ran a stop sign. The other one is failed to display a driver's license. They are fine-only offenses. However, you do have some very important rights. And the most important one, of course, is to enter a plea of not guilty and requires the state to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt. If you feel you're not guilty, please let me know. I'll send you up to the prosecutor, as you have the right to review all the evidence that he has in your case before you decide if you want to plea bargain with him or if you want to go to trial. Now, sometimes they'll have a police report or a dash cam video or a body cam video, okay? And you can talk to him and see what you can work out. If you feel that you are guilty of the offenses, but you're trying to keep them off your driving history, you may be eligible for a driving safety course or probation. The first one, failure to display a driver's license, is considered a compliance dismissal. If you had a valid Texas driver's license at the time you were pulled over, you just weren't carrying it with you. Do you have a Texas driver's license?
Yes, I had a driver's license. I just had gotten it stolen, so I didn't have it with me when he pulled me over.
Okay, so you do have one.
Yes.
Okay, then that'll be a $10 compliance dismissal fee. And I'll turn you over to the clerk for further instructions as to how to handle that in a minute. Then you have the second one, which is running a stop sign. How do you want to handle that one?
Well, I plead guilty for that, but is there a way I could get it off my record in any way? Or?
Sure. How old are you, ma'am?
I'm 21.
21. Okay. You would have to take a driving safety course. But you'd have to qualify for it first. And in your case, have you had a driving safety course within the last year for a ticket dismissal?
I don't think so. I think the last one I had was 2 years ago.
Okay. And you have a regular Texas driver's license, not a commercial driver's license, correct?
Yes.
And you have insurance on your vehicle?
Yes.
All right. Well, then you would qualify for a driving safety course. It is $144 though. How much time can you pay? Would you be able to pay that this week, or are you going to need time?
I could pay it this week. I get paid on the 3rd.
That would be what, Friday? Saturday. Okay. All right, I'll give you 2 weeks to pay that.
Okay.
So then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to refer you or transfer you to the clerk of the court for further instructions as to how you can, what you need to do in order to get this accomplished, okay?
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Prescott. I'm going to go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's going to go ahead and give you those dates as well as how to pay the $10, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let me see. Melissa Baez.
Okay. Hello, Ms. Reyes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ms. Reyes, my name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights.
Mm-hmm.
And our records show that you were issued a citation, a ticket for not having your car insured, a failure to maintain financial responsibility. Are you that person?
Yes.
Okay. Were you insured back on March 9th of 2020 before you got the ticket?
I thought I was, but I wasn't. I
All
have
right.
paper because I had gotten my insurance through Fred Loya,
Uh-huh.
and they're supposed to take it out from my account.
Okay.
So they took out, I think, January and February. I guess I didn't have the money that specific day for March.
Uh-huh.
And I guess they don't call you or something. So I was under the impression that I had insurance until I got stopped. And I was like, so sorry. I totally forgot about it.
Okay.
I did go yesterday to go get copies of my insurance because ever since then, I did get my insurance. Like after that, of course, that was amidst like everything starting with the closures.
Right.
And I have been insured ever since then.
All right. Well, I mean, unfortunately, these mistakes happen, but they're not really considered a defense. If you'd want to try and keep this off your record, what I can do is I can place you on deferred disposition probation for it. Are you familiar with that a little bit?
No.
No? Okay. Well, basically, you'd have to enter a plea of no contest or guilty.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you can always enter a plea of not guilty, and I'll send you over to the prosecutor and you can talk to him and see what you can resolve. But if you enter a plea of guilty or no contest, I put you on probation for it. I accept your plea. I said, I accept your plea, but I don't find you guilty. Rather, I put you on probation. I reduce fines from 363 down to 279 because people are having difficult financial time. And I
Yeah.
give people, I can give a person 120 or 90 days to pay. And one of the conditions is that they keep insurance while they're on probation. And the other
Mm-hmm.
condition is that they not be charged with another offense while on probation here in the city of Balcones Heights.
Okay.
Okay. Is that something that might work for you, or would you really rather talk to the prosecutor?
No, that'll work. I mean, yeah, I didn't have insurance. I'm not gonna say, oh,
Okay.
no.
Well, how much time do you need to pay the 279? 90 days or 120?
If you can give me the 120, that would be great. I will try and
All right.
do as much as possible
All
before
right.
that.
I'll give you 120 days deferred disposition probation. Your fine is going to be 279, and you have to provide us with proof of insurance and don't get another ticket. We'll be giving you everything in
Okay,
writing, by the way. And you can't get another ticket while you're on probation, okay?
Okay, 120 days. And how do I provide the proof of insurance?
Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer you over to the clerk of the court, and she'll give you more details,
Mhm.
okay?
Okay, okay,
All right. Take care.
thank you, you too.
You're welcome.
Hello, Ms. Reyes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have you speak to Ms. Bias, and she's gonna give you the information as to how to get your paperwork and how to have it signed, okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes, hi.
Hello, give me 1 second while I look up your case, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Judge. You want to talk to him? Okay.
Hello, Mr. Rodriguez. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
My name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records indicate that you were issued 2 citations. One is failure to change of address, and the other one is no insurance. Is that you? That was back in March 16th of this year. Did you receive those 2 citations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, have you changed the address on your driver's license?
Yes, sir. With that one, I had just moved to San Antonio March 12th, and I got this ticket on the 16th, but on the 18th, my license was issued with my new address. So it was well before the 30-day period that you have to change, make a change of address. And when I got the citation, I told the officer, like, I just moved here, but he said he didn't care and I'd have to take it up with the judge.
Okay. How about insurance? Were you insured on the 16th of March?
I mean, technically yes, but not when I got pulled over, because I did get pulled over right in front of an insurance agency, and I went and got insurance right after I got the citation. So, fortunately, I did not have insurance when I was pulled over.
Okay. Well, so what proof did you have that you only had moved for a month?
I have my lease. My lease has where I signed and moved in on March 12th. And like I said, my new license was issued on March 18th,
Okay.
which is when I did the change of address.
Okay, what I can do on that is I can put a prosecutor hold on it while he reviews your lease. If you would just blot out whatever personal information you have on it, or leave your name on it, but any personal identifiers, I blot it out, and we'll give you the address which you can send it to later. We'll have the prosecutor review it, and if he agrees with you, he'll go ahead and dismiss it. Okay? If he doesn't agree with you, then it's going to cost you, you can either go to trial or pay $10 compliance dismissal. Okay?
Okay.
On that one. On the no insurance, if you feel you're not guilty, I'll send you to talk to him. If you think you're guilty of not being insured when you got the ticket, I normally grant probation for that. I'll put you in probation, which means that I won't find you guilty if you enter a plea of no contest or guilty, and reduce your fines down to $279, and I can give you either 90 or 120 days to pay. Which way would you like to proceed on that?
Well, that one, like I said, I guess technically I am guilty. I did not have insurance when I got pulled over.
All right.
So that fine, I will, if I am able to do like an installment plan to pay it off, that
All
would
right.
be fine.
Yeah, I can give you 4 months if you want, or 3, whichever you think is best.
I think 3 months is enough.
All right. It'll be 90 days deferred disposition, which means that you're on probation. I don't find you guilty. Rather, I accept your plea of no contest, but I wait. And if you pay your money and you send us proof of your insurance, and if you don't get another ticket here in the city while you're on probation, the case will be dismissed. Okay?
Okay.
And on the other one, please send us a copy of your lease. Please, strike out any personal identifiers, and if the prosecutor agrees, he'll just send a motion to dismiss. If he doesn't agree, then you can either proceed to trial on it, or you can pay $10 as a compliance dismissal. That'll be left up to you. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Well, then I'm going to transfer you over to the clerk of the court. She'll give you more details as to how to get this done.
Okay. Thank you.
Take care.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's going to go into detail as to how to get your paperwork signed by you and everything.
Okay.
So the next room I'm going to send you to is with her, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hello. Hi.
Your name, ma'am?
Angelica Lopez.
Okay, Ms. Lopez, give me one moment while I look up your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Ms. Lopez. Can you hear me?
Yes, I could hear you.
Okay, good. My name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And we have showing on our computer that you were issued 2 citations, expired registration, and change of address violation. Is that you?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Have you have you renewed the registration on your vehicle?
Actually, it wasn't my vehicle that I was driving. I was driving my cousin's vehicle, which she no longer has the vehicle. So aside from the expired, that wasn't my car. I don't know if she did ever change it. I just know that she got rid of the car.
All right.
But I update my address.
You did do that, update your address? Okay.
Yeah.
Then what we can do is I'm going to turn you over to the clerk of the court soon, but I'm going to tell you what's going to happen.
Okay.
Send us a copy of your driver's license,
Okay.
and we will review it, or you can come by in person if you'd like, or you can email it to us, and we'll give you the email, and we'll be careful to eliminate any personal identifiers once we've reviewed it. And if it shows you change the address, it'll be a $20 compliance dismissal. Okay, and I'll give you as I said, I'll turn you over to the clerk soon. And if you're going to need time to pay the 20, or do you think you'll be able to pay within the week?
I would be able to pay it within the week.
Okay. The expired registration, unfortunately, the only thing I can do is reduce your fine from 194 down to 125, and I can give you time to pay it. If you take more than 30 days to pay it, they're going to add $15 administrative fee, I guess, for it. So that's what I can do. If you'd like, you can also speak to the prosecutor if you feel you're not guilty about the registration on the car. You do have a right, just like any other case, to plead not guilty and talk to the prosecutor and have them, discuss the evidence with you. But other than that, the only thing I can do for you is you would have to enter a plea of guilty or no contest. I'll reduce it from 194 down to 125, and I can give you, 30, 60, 90 days to pay it. What do you think is in your best interest?
Is there like a way I can maybe try to get where my cousin either did change it, or either way, is that going to be enough to try to get it?
Well, she'd have to renew the registration on the vehicle, and she'd also have to pay the late penalty fee on it.
Okay.
Okay, and it'd have to be on the vehicle that you were cited on, not some other vehicle. Okay.
Okay.
If you think you want to go that route, I'll reset it for a month for you. Otherwise, you can just pay $125. What's best for you?
I'll just pay it. It's okay.
Okay. And how much time do you need to pay the 125?
I get paid next Wednesday. I could pay that by then.
All right, I'll give you 30 days to pay. And the other one is $20, and that'll take care of everything. And I will now turn you over to the clerk of the court, and they'll give you more details as to how to get this done. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you too.
Mhm.
Okay, Ms. Lopez. So I'm going to go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's going to give you information as to how to sign the paperwork that you have, if you're going to be coming in person or if you want everything by mail. But she'll go ahead and go into more detail, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello, your name?
Lindsay Jones.
Lindsay Jones. Okay, Ms. Jones, give me one moment while I look up your case.
Thank you.
No problem. She had some past ones, but she had some past ones, but she has current. So these are the only current ones that she has. Nothing pending, just these. She paid some back. These are new ones, Yes, sir.
Hello, Ms. Jones, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records indicate that you were issued 3 citations: expired registration, failed to maintain financial responsibility, in other words, no insurance, and operating a motor vehicle without a license plate. I guess you're missing one. That's what they're saying. Are you that person? Were you issued 3 citations back in March?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you renewed the registration on your vehicle?
No. I received a DWI and was not driving my vehicle, and then it was taken in and it was actually being worked on because I couldn't get it inspected for months. So I'm just at a point where I'm able to go get it inspected. But I do have the other 2 things completed.
Okay, so you were insured on the 10th of March when you, I guess, did they
Yes.
arrest? Okay.
I just
if you-
didn't have the documentation in my vehicle.
Oh, okay. All right, well, send us in a copy of your insurance policy that covers you on the 10th of March, and it'll be dismissed at no fee to you, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And how about that license plate? Did you ever, what's wrong? Did you ever fix that? I mean,
Oh, it wasn't my back license plate. It was my front license plate, and when they fixed my car, I had them put it on. I had always had it. I just had never put it on. I didn't realize that I needed to have them both. I'm not from Texas, and where I'm from, we only had a back plate. So I put it on. It's on. I do have that.
all right, well, that'll be a $10 compliance dismissal. Can you pay that within the week, or are you gonna need more time?
I'm gonna need more time. I'm a teacher. I get paid once a month. Is there any way that I could pay? I can pay all of my everything on October 23rd. I mean, if it's $10, then I can pay it now. But I'm assuming because my registration is still expired, I'm gonna have to pay the $194 charge.
Well, I was gonna reduce that to $125.
Okay, I still wouldn't be able to pay it until October 23rd, but I can pay everything in full on October 23rd.
All right, well, I'll extend your payment until October 23rd.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm going to turn you over to the clerk of the court for more details as to how to get this done, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Jones. Ms. Jones? Hi.
Oh, yes, okay. I can hear you. Sorry, I thought we got cut off. Okay, yes.
No, you're fine, hon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you speak to Ms. Baez. She's gonna be going into detail about your cases, when you're gonna come in today, and what you would need to sign, okay? And what proof to bring in.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.